Hello, welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to show you how to check the DynamoDB table. I'm going to start out by going to a blank web browser tab. And you are going to get sent information to sign in to the AWS console. Find where the URL is and copy that URL into the address bar. Hit enter and it will take you to a page that looks exactly like this. Next, type in the username that will be your first name hyphen last name. Tab down or click down to the password text box and copy and paste the information sent. That is the password. Click the sign in button and that will lead you to the change password page. Enter the password for one last time in the old password text box. Now enter a password you will remember in the next two text boxes. And click the confirm button. Oh, sorry. There's a minimum character length. Also use a uppercase letter and a symbol and a number in your password. Re-enter the information and click the confirm button again and you will be on to the next step. This is the AWS main page where you will be brought to, and you will not have any recently visited services to begin with, but once we go through and finish this tutorial, the service will be easy to get to next time. Go to the top there where it says search. Start typing DYN and the first result will come up that says DynamoDB. Click that service. You will be brought to this main table dashboard page. Let it load like so. Click the sidebar link that says tables. It will take you to a list of tables in a table, like so. If you see this error, ask your administrator for AWS to look at the IAM service, the policy, and your role on the account. I think I will pause here and fix this and start this tutorial again. Okay, I fixed it, and I am back. The list looks like this when it is working properly. Also, if you see no tables at all, then it is possible you're in the wrong region. Just go up to the top right of the page and click the down arrow that is adjacent to your name that says Ohio or another. It needs to say North Virginia. Click that region to get back to the correct place. Now scan the list of tables and look for the one that says submissions, some long string of letters and numbers, and prod. I believe this is the one we want here. Click that and it will bring you to a page that looks like this. You are now going to need to click the button that says Explore Table Items and will return all of the submitted entries into the database. This is what it should look like, and you should be able to see everything on this page. That is it. Thank you for watching and learning with me.